Hello everyone, welcome to part 46 of Laravel 9 tutorial, in which we are creating the multi-vendor e-commerce website. So we will continue working on the attributes module, and in this video we are going to create the attributes page in which we will add the addAttributes form, and we will also merge the addRemove jQuery script so that we can show the addAttributes field. Okay, the user can able to add multiple attributes at once, and can able to add those fields instantly. Okay, so I'm going to show you, and we are going to add here the plus icon from the products table, from the products page we can able to add the attributes as well. So let's first add here the plus sign. We are going to add inside. I'm going to close earlier files and will here open the products.blade.php file, and open the our template, in which admin template. Okay, not the design but the admin template. Here we have the sky dash admin template, and we are going to open that template. In that we will have the icons. Okay, so I'm going to check where pages, or we can open here, and from here we can go icons, and here, so we want the plus icon, so we will search for the plus icon here. Okay, so I have found some really good icons here. Okay, so here we are going to use so this icon we are going to use. It looks fine, plus here inside. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to copy the middle one here. Here we have the add edit product, and this one is confirm delete, that is not required. And okay, so we can add one more here, and here we can add. Here we will write, we are going to create its route like add attribute. Okay, add hyphen attributes. Okay, this route we are going to create with product ID, that is fine. And we are going to pick that you can also pick from the design mdi plus box. This one I'm going to replace it with this one. Okay, so now I'm going to check whether it is fine here, and see the plus icon is now located. Okay, so here so that route we are going to create now in web.php file. We are going to create here. After that I'm going to comment it like attributes. Okay, so we are going to create this route. So we are going to create the get post route for the add attributes, because we also require to use it as post. We will later on the customer will add the attributes, so that we will manage in post. So get to show the page. Okay, to show the form attribute form, add form, get post, so both are required here. So here the route will be like add attributes, that we have added in the products.blade file, and along with that we will return that product ID. Okay, product ID is mandatory, so no question mark will come here, no optional. So we are going to add inside productsController, and here we are going to write like addAttributes function. Okay, so this addAttributes function we are going to create inside the productsController. Okay, so we are going to create here, at last we are going to create here public function addAttributes. So this function we are going to create, and $id will go here. So in the addAttribute page we are going to show some of the product details as well. So from $id we will get the product detail as well, like $product equal to product model, and find $id. Okay, so we will get the product details. Here we can check once that whether we are getting the product details here. So I'm going to open here, click on this one. I will click on this red casual t-shirt, and here you can see we able to get the product details here. Okay, let's see. Yeah, see here. Okay, fine. So we able to get the complete product details here: red casual t-shirt, product code, color. Okay, so that is fine. So now we are going to return this product, return view. So I am going to create the attribute folder. Inside the admin folder, I'm going to create one attributes folder, attributes. Inside that, I'm going to create one blade file, add underscore attributes. Okay, so this one, see with see, we can also create the file like add edit attributes, as this is the common page for the attributes. Okay, so we can also name it like add edit attributes. Okay, though the function is add attributes, but we can name the file as add edit underscore attributes. Okay, with compact. Here we are going to pass that, return that product array. Okay, so we are going to create this add edit attributes file. So what I am going to do, I am going to here in my ecom9 folder, resources, views, admin, and here inside admins, I will create one folder, attributes folder, attributes. Okay, so what I can do, I can use that file add edit, but I can copy and will paste here, and simply can make it add underscore. Here I can make it add edit attributes simply like this. So I can open this file here and can make the changes, so it will save our time. Add edit attributes, it's here at the top, and instead of products here we are going to write here like attributes. Okay, so here we are going to add it like add attributes here. Okay, so here in our form we are going to add here like we are going to change this one action, so this one is not required, and this one we can use this action here, action this one, and if we can remove, and here see admin, admin, inside admin we are going to add edit attributes. Okay, so here product id, that is fine, method, and this one is also not required for the images. There is no image in attributes, so now it is fine. Okay, so now we are going to remove this one, is not required, form group, this one is not required to form group here. So now product name is required. Okay, so product name, inside product name here we can keep this $1 product name, this one. Okay, here we can remove all, here we can keep like PHP, then this one product name, and after that in the same way we can keep the product code. To show the user for which product he is going to add the attributes. See, main product price will come here, attributes price he is going to add from this one. So these things are not required to show, though we can show the product image here. Okay, so product image we can show here itself in div form group. Okay, if there is the product image, then we can show that product image here, and here we can do like this, that is fine. This one we can move from here. Okay, we can show it like this. Here we can show image source. Here this one is not required, and instead of this one we can add here style, can show here of 120. I'm not so good in CSS. My friends are really good, some of my students are really good in CSS, and those who are not good can take the help of their designer friends or can search online. Okay. Okay, so now it is fine. We can also put this one at the top. Okay, so if the product image is coming, then we can show, or there is one more way. If the product image is not empty, then this one, else we can show that dummy image. Okay, so we can show that dummy image as well. Here only get the small image. Okay, just want to show the idea. Okay, here we are going to have that image in public. We'll check the path as well. Public, admin, images, and here where is our dummy images, then product images. We're going to see front images, then here it is product images, then small. So here is the path for our dummy image. No image.png we will show if the image not added yet by the user. Okay, so front image, product image is small, then this one. Okay, so now it's fine. Do it like this. Okay, so now this one, all other code we can remove, that is not required. Okay, so here inside this our script will come of addAttributes script. We are going to add inside this one. So for that we will search on Google something like add remove fields dynamically in jQuery. Okay, so we will search something like add remove fields dynamically jQuery. Okay, so here is one good link. See, codex word. So this is the perfect script that we have used in the advanced e-commerce series as well. You can use this script. Okay, so see this script we have already having the jQuery admin.js, so that is not required to include. So this script is required to include, that we are going to include in our custom.js file. Okay, so we will open the custom.js file, and inside this file we are going to add the script at the last. Okay, so this script we are going to add here. Make sure not complete script is required, so make sure just inside the ready function that the script is required. So we can just copy inside of the script this part only. Okay, because we are already inside the ready function. Here you can check that we are already inside the ready function, so we will just add this one, and before that we can add in comments about the script, like it is the products attributes add move script. Okay, so also we are going to copy this one HTML code from here and we'll paste here in our addAttribute form here. Okay, later on we are going to make the changes. So here we will check that whether the script is working or not. So I'm going to refresh this one. We refresh the page, and here you can see it is working fine. Okay, so rest of the things we are going to update here. Okay, so we are going to update the form here, like here see, instead of this image we are going to add here add. Okay, simply add here, so you can check here add. Okay, so now it looks fine. Add. So this field, so we are required to add 4 fields here: size, SKU, price, and stock. Okay, so we are going to add like input, and all the 4 fields are required. Okay, input type test, and name of the field will be, first one is the size. Okay, and that value is not required here. So a name. After that we are going to add here the placeholder that will show that we need to add the size here. Okay, we will give some width as well to this one, to all. Like we will give the width here 120 pixel. Okay, so in the same way, and also we are going to make it required. Okay, this is the mandatory field user need to add the attribute, and that is fine. So we are going to copy this one, and I'm going to paste it like 1 2 3 and 4. One is for size, another one is for the SKU, and then price, and then the stock. Okay, so same we are going to apply here: SKU, then price, then stock. Okay, so here we will add attributes. So refresh here and see, here it looks fine: size, SKU, price, and stock. Okay, so we can add here multiple times, and for that we need to correct here in our custom.js this field HTML div. We need to correct this one. Okay, so here also we are going to add here, like the first one is the size. Okay, so we will add its name as size here, and instead of value we are going to add here the placeholder and this one. Okay, I'm going to replace this one with our like placeholder, size, style. This one required is not only for the first one, that is fine, and name, size, placeholder, style. Okay, so for others as well we are going to modify it like this. And after size, see remove button, and before this one we are going to add other input field as well, bsp, and we are going to add another input field similarly. Okay, like this one we can copy. Here we can use something, I think there is a way of wrapping the test. Okay, we can do it like this. So now we can easily copy, like this input field we can copy, and 1 2 3, and first one is size. After size there will be SKU. After SKU there will be price and stock. Price, and after that there will be stock. Okay, so the same thing will come here: SKU, price, and stock. Okay, so here we can refresh and we can check here. So it seems to be fine, but here instead of image we can add here remove. Okay, so now you can see we able to add remove. Okay, if user want to add, see, 6 7 attributes, then he can add all at once. Okay, if he only want to add like 3 attributes, small, medium, and large, then he just require the 3. Okay, like this. So we can give some spacing as well here. We can give some height to this one, like div style. Here we can add some height here, height like 10 pixel. here height. We are required to have some height here that will okay, so what I can do here, I will make one more div here and okay, now check. So now it seems to be fine. Okay, you can see now it looks proper. Okay, so now see, once we will add the attributes, we will add all three attributes here, and after adding we will get the attributes here, and here we require to add the post method for getting the attributes and submitting. Okay, so here see, after this one we will here write the post method here, like if $request is method post $data $request all. Okay, so here we are going to check that whether the attributes are coming correctly or not, so that we can submit to the to our attributes table. So we are going to add here attributes like so there is some issue because we are required to add request now, request for getting the data from the post method. Okay, so now we will try. See, site, small site, and SKU we will add like RC001S. Okay, RC001S, and price 1000, stock we can keep 10, and here we can add medium, and here we can add the large, and here see, we can add here the medium, that is the SKU, and price can be 1100, stock can be 15, and price can be 1200 here, and the stock can be 20. Now we will try to add three attributes, and let's see, we will get here correctly, and some issue has come. We need to check edit attributes is correct. In our form we need to check here, add edit attributes here in admin, add edit attributes product ID. We are going to check here add. Okay, so here route is wrong, we need to add it like add hyphen edit hyphen attributes. Okay, so add attributes, so that we have kept that is fine, no issue. So now we will try once again, but now we need to add see, we will add those attributes once again here, add edit attributes here. I'm going to go back and will add once again here plus, and here also we are going to make it like we have changed it, so we are required to make it like add edit attributes. Okay, whatever name you will keep, okay, keep the same route here, whatever route you are going to keep. Okay, now it is working fine. Okay, so 2 times, so once again we need to add here small, medium, large, and here we are going to make it RC small, medium, and large. Okay, price 1000, 100, and here 100, and here 10, 15, 20. Now check this time, submit, and this time data is coming correctly. You can see we get all data in array, sizes, SKU, price, and stock, and you can check like sizes small, medium, large, SKU RC01, S, M, and L, and price 1000, 1100, 1200, and stock 10, 15, and 20. So data is coming correctly. In the next video we are going to submit this data, we are going to insert this data in our attributes table, and after that we are going to show these attributes with the edit feature as well. We can able to edit the stock and price, and that will finish our attributes management process, and then finally we are going to manage the product images as well. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.